How to make money online. Starting home tutoring business. Welcome to this class. Today, teaching online can be fun. The demand for tutoring is exploding. Tutors make lots of money. You can start part time with small investment. I'm Emmanuel Asiedu, your instructor for this course. I've been into maintenance and production for 5 years as an administrator, technician, and engineer. For the last 7 years, I've been into one-to-one tutoring and also starting tutoring business. I've handled over 15,000 students from different backgrounds and levels. I now work as a full-time tutoring coordinator, a blogger, and a consultant, helping students and tutors online. So in this course, I'll teach you what I've learned from building my own tutoring business. Let's look at the course content. We'll look at why home tutoring, online tutoring versus face-to-face tutoring. What subjects should you teach? How much should you charge? How will you promote and source for students? How will you deal with phone calls? How will you deal with difficult clients? How will you monitor and evaluate your students? And to start, what will you do? In the course, I'm also going to include some tutoring tips, resources, and platforms that are used successfully. In the end, I'm also going to add an ebook, which is a complete course guide, and it contains the detailed notes, links of tips, and articles, all included in the resource page. So it's time for you to take action. Don't waste any time. Click on the link below and make your payment. Start with the course and learn how you too can make money online by starting your own tutoring business. Thank you so much for your time and enjoy the course.